Welcome to USA Readers. In today's video, we'll dive deeper into one of the most crucial English speaking skills, thinking in English. If you've seen part 1, you already know that thinking in English is key to speaking fluently and confidently. Today, we'll build on that and elevate your skills to the next level. Let's quickly review why thinking in English is so powerful. Faster conversations. When you think in English, you don't need to translate from your native language. This allows you to speak more quickly and sound more natural. For instance, if someone asks, "What do you want to eat?" and you think in your native language first, you need to translate the question, think of the answer in your language, and then convert it to English. This takes time and can make you feel nervous. Fluency. Speaking fluently doesn't mean speaking perfectly, it means speaking confidently, even with a few mistakes. When you think directly in English, words flow naturally. The more you train your brain to think in English, the more confident you'll feel. You stop worrying about mistakes because your brain becomes accustomed to the language. Ravi's story. The power of thinking in English. Let me tell you about someone just like you, Ravi. Ravi was learning English to improve his life and secure a good job, but he struggled every time he spoke. Why? Because he was translating everything from his native language into English. For example, if he wanted to say, "I need to buy vegetables today," he'd first think of it in his native language, then translate it into English. By the time he finished, the conversation had already moved on. One day, his English teacher told him, "Stop translating, start thinking in English. Even if it's hard at first, practice every day." Ravi followed 3 simple steps to start thinking in English. Speak small, simple sentences in his mind. Describe his surroundings in English. Talk to himself in English every morning and night. Within a few months, Ravi no longer needed to translate. He spoke faster, his confidence grew, and he finally got the job he wanted. You can do it too. Thinking in English may feel tough at first, just like riding a bike for the first time. You might lose balance, fall, or get frustrated, but if you keep practicing, your brain will grow stronger, and thinking in English will become second nature. Let me ask you, do you want to speak English confidently? Do you want to think faster and sound fluent? If you answered yes, you're in the right place. Small steps lead to big changes. You don't need to start thinking in long, complex sentences right away. Begin small and remember, simple words, short sentences, full conversations. Start with words like apple, table, and water. Then move to short sentences. I want water. Next, describe things. This is a red apple, or I am sitting on a wooden chair. Consistency is key. Don't worry if it feels hard at first. Just 10 minutes of practice every day will make a big difference. Ready to move forward? Let's start practicing. In the next part, I'll provide simple, step-by-step exercises to train your brain to think in English. These exercises are easy, practical, and fun, so you can start using them today. Stay tuned and let's continue this journey together in part 2, step-by-step exercises to start thinking in English. In part 1, we explored why thinking in English is essential for fluency and confidence. Now, it's time to take action. In this part, I'll guide you through step-by-step exercises to train your brain to think directly in English. These exercises are simple, fun, and effective, making them easy to practice daily. Exercise 1. Name objects around you. Start by naming things you see around you. Use the English words you already know without translating. Example: this is a table. There is a window. I see a chair. Gradually, expand your sentences with descriptions. This is a wooden chair. The window is open. The air feels cool. Why it works. This trains your brain to connect English words directly to objects, skipping translation. Exercise 2. Describe your routine. Think about your daily activities and describe them in English as you do them. Example. Morning. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking tea. Afternoon. I am walking to the market. I see many people. Evening. I am reading a book. This story is interesting. Bonus tip. Say these sentences aloud. Hearing yourself speak will improve your fluency and boost confidence. Exercise 3. Build sentences from one-word thoughts. Pick a word and form a short sentence, then gradually add more details. Example. Word. Water. I need water. This water is cold. Word. Food. I am eating food. The food is tasty. Ask yourself questions to create longer thoughts. Am I hungry? What food do I want? I will make rice today. This step-by-step approach helps you naturally build sentences. Exercise 4. Talk to yourself. Choose a topic and talk to yourself for 2 to 3 minutes. Examples. 1. Your family. I have a brother. His name is Rahul. He is 10 years old. 2. Your hobbies. I like playing cricket. It makes me happy. 3. Your plans for the day. Today, I will clean my room and go to the market. Tip. Use a mirror to make it feel like a conversation. Why it works. Speaking to yourself removes the fear of judgment, allowing you to practice freely. Exercise 5. Ask yourself questions. Train your brain by asking and answering simple questions throughout the day. Examples. What time is it? Right pointing arrow. It is 4 o'clock. What am I doing now? Right pointing arrow. I am studying English. Where is my phone? Right pointing arrow. My phone is on the table. This practice keeps your brain active in English. Exercise 6. Write a daily journal. Spend 5 minutes at the end of each day reflecting on your day in English. Example entry. Today, I woke up at 6 a.m. I had tea and bread for breakfast. Then, I went to the market and bought vegetables. I came home, cooked lunch, and cleaned my room. In the evening, I watched a movie and read a book. It was a good day. Start with 2 to 3 sentences if writing feels challenging, and increase gradually. Bonus tip. Read aloud what you wrote to reinforce your thinking and speaking skills. Exercise 7. Use English in real life. Incorporate English into everyday tasks. Examples. In the kitchen. I need salt. At the market. I want 1 kilo of apples. At a shop. How much is this shirt? Even small efforts like these will help make English thinking automatic. Exercise 8. Describe pictures. Look at simple pictures, nature, people, or objects, and describe them in English. Example. Picture of a park. There is a green park. Children are playing. The sky is blue. The weather looks nice. You can also watch videos without sound and describe what's happening. Why it works. This connects English words to images in real situations, boosting your thinking speed. Exercise 9. Practice with songs and stories. Songs. Listen to simple English songs, sing along, and focus on the words. Stories. Read easy English stories, pause after each paragraph, and describe what happened in your own words. Story. The boy went to the market to buy milk. Your thought. The boy needed milk. He went to the market. This improves your thinking, listening, and reading skills. Exercise 10. The 5-minute English Thought Challenge. Set a timer for 5 minutes and think only in English. Example. I am sitting on my chair. The window is open. I can hear the birds. I feel happy today. With practice, 5 minutes will grow into 10, then 15, until thinking in English becomes second nature. Begin with simple content like animated movies that use easy words. As you watch, think about what's happening. The boy is running. He looks scared. Listen to English songs and podcasts, choosing slow songs with easy to understand lyrics. Sing along and focus on the words. For podcasts, pick topics you enjoy, such as travel, sports, or self-improvement. When reading, start with children's books or short stories. After each paragraph, ask yourself, what did I learn? What happened in this story? Practice thinking in English by asking yourself questions throughout the day, which forces your brain to think actively. For example, when you wake up, ask, what will I do today? While eating, think, do I like this food? How does it taste? While working, ask, am I tired? Should I take a break? At night, reflect with questions like, what did I learn today? What will I do tomorrow? These thought exercises will help thinking in English become second nature. Visualization is another powerful tool. Picture situations and narrate them in English. For example, imagine your day. I am going to the market. I see many people. I will buy apples and bananas. Or visualize future events. Next week, I will visit my friend. We will have tea and talk. This method connects your thoughts directly to English words, bypassing translation. Talking to yourself out loud may feel unusual at first, but it's an excellent way to practice. Choose a topic and speak aloud for 2 to 3 minutes. For example, today I cleaned my room. It was messy, but now it looks nice. I feel happy. If you struggle to find words, use simple sentences or gestures to explain your thoughts. Embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. If you make an error, don't get discouraged, correct yourself. For instance, if you say, I going to market, revise it to, I am going to the market. Write down your mistakes to learn from them. Mistakes are proof that you're improving. Celebrate your progress to stay motivated. At the end of each week, reflect on your growth. Ask yourself, can I think faster in English now? What new words or phrases did I learn? Write these reflections down and celebrate milestones, such as practicing for 15 minutes daily or learning 10 new words. Maintain a growth mindset by reminding yourself of your purpose. Ask, why do I want to learn English? Whether it's for fluency, career opportunities, or connecting with others, keeping your goals in mind will inspire you to continue practicing. In conclusion, thinking in English is a journey that builds confidence, opens opportunities, and enhances self-growth. Start small, be consistent, immerse yourself in English, and embrace mistakes as lessons. Celebrate every step forward, and remember that simple, daily efforts lead to significant results. Thank you for watching USA Readers YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and here's to a wonderful 2025 filled with growth and success.